34 Things to do in Steamboat Springs this summer. Steamboat Springs is a very popular Colorado resort town. Partly because it's a real town as well as a resort. Steamboat Springs offers the best of both worlds. A state-of-the-art ski resort and a real western ranching town. Ranchers still go about their business in cowboy boots and Stetsons, seemingly oblivious of the fashion statement they are making to urban tourists. The population of this historic town is estimated to be around 13,000 people. Until tourism arrived, ranching and farming were the foundation of the economy. For decades, Steamboat Springs has been a popular summer destination due to its numerous natural springs and abundance of wild animals. The mountain, simply known as Steamboat, is managed by the Steamboat Ski and Resort Corporation. Here is a list of the top 34 things to do in Steamboat Springs in summer. Number 34. Zipline. Steamboat Zipline Adventures is a 6-segment zipline course in the heart of the Yampa Valley and Flat Top Mountain Range. Number 33. Yampa River Botanic Garden. Since 1992, the Yampa River Botanic Park has grown from a flat horse pasture into a 6-acre gem of over 50 gardens with ponds, benches, and sculptures. Number 32. Scenic Drives. Steamboat Springs, Colorado is a magical little mountain. After driving along through scenic yet isolated terrain, it is a pleasure to drive into this lively town. Try one of these scenic drives: Rabbit Ears Pass, Buffalo Pass, or Flat Tops Trail. Number 31. Hot air ballooning. Gently rise into the air to enjoy the most incredible views of Steamboat. Number 30. Helicopter sightseeing. What could be a better way of discovering Steamboat Springs than doing a private helicopter ride? Number 29. F.M Light Sons. This historic clothing store is a step back into the Old West and family owned and operated. Visit them to take a photo with a famous horse lighting outside. Number 28. Golf. In the Rocky Mountains, the golf balls go farther and the vistas are prettier. There's no better way to enjoy the green than playing your golf cravings this summer and choose from one of several ideal courses. Number 27. Hot Springs. Celebrate Steamboat with a soak in one of the historic hot springs. Old Town Hot Springs is in the heart of downtown Steamboat, while Strawberry Park Hot Springs is an adventure on the edge of the Yampa Valley. Old Town Hot Springs. Strawberry Park Natural Hot Springs. Number 26. Pro Rodeo. Saddle up cowboys and cowgirls. You can't visit Steamboat in the summer without experiencing the true Western event, the rodeo. Grab your cowboy hat and favorite pair of boots and take the whole family out to the rodeo at the Roanoke Rodeo grounds in downtown Steamboat Springs. The most popular rodeo events are bull riding, saddle bronc riding, cowgirl barrel racing, tie-down racing, steer wrestling, Horseback Riding. Music and entertainment. Music starts before every rodeo at 6 p.m. Get your food and drinks and take in the performance. There were also exciting specialty acts during the rodeo. Number 25. Steamboat Farmers Market. The Main Street Steamboat Farmers Market is located on Yampa Street between 5th and 8th Streets and is held on Saturdays from June to September. Number 24. Shopping. Whether you're searching out authentic Western wear, outdoor apparel, fine art galleries, or unique gifts, they got it all in Steamboat Springs. Number 23. Fitness Center. Number 22. Visit a spa. Ease your weary body and mind. There are plenty of spa getaways in Steamboat Springs. And as they are all very different, there are plenty of options for you to find your perfect spa match. Perhaps the most traditional offering is the Rocky Mountain Day Spa, based at the foot of the ski area. Number 21. Attend a concert, film, or live performance. The Steamboat Springs Free Summer Concert Series began in 1990-91 as a small concert series with several hundred in attendance by a small record shop owner and friends. The series now features 5 concerts per year with attendance. Number 20. Hunting. The beautiful Rocky Mountains are an amazing spot for hunting elk, deer, moose, and even mountain lions if you're properly licensed. Many ranches offer archery, muzzleloader, and rifle hunts on a variety of terrain. Number 19. Photography. Hashtag. Head outside photography hikes. Number 18. Birding. Take a guided bird and nature walk along the Yampa River with a focus on sandhill cranes. Learn about sandhill crane breeding biology and habitat, the importance of the Yampa River to cranes in the valley, and other birds and animals that share their home with cranes. Look for birds and other wildlife as you get a guided tour of this state wildlife area just minutes from town. Number 17. Swimming. Number 16. Dining. Make your way to one of the 130 restaurants, bars, and cafes that is sure to please any palate. Number 15. Brew Trail. The Brew Trail is made up of 3 local breweries serving some of the finest beers around Colorado and 1 distillery offering up small batch whiskey, vodka, gin, and moonshine. Number 14. Kids Activities. Steamboat Springs is one of the best vacation destinations for families. Here is just a couple of activities that will keep them busy. Bowling, arcade games, crooked key, escaping from a game room, skating, bumper cars, tennis, pickleball, mini golf, giant maze, gemstone panning, laser tag, shoot and shower basketball, squirt gun fun and more. Number 13. Museum of Northwest Colorado. The museum have been recognized worldwide for the tireless quest to uncover the events and artifacts that helped define the American West. Number 12. Mural Tour. The Steamboat Mural Tour takes you all around Steamboat Springs to view 19 murals painted by artists from around the world. Each at your own pace as you go on a self-guided tour by foot, bike, or car to take in the sights. Number 11. Horseback Riding. Discover Steamboat Springs the way they did when cowboys first settled in the Yampa Valley, on horseback. Number 10. Riding the Yampa River and lakes in Steamboat. Steamboat Springs tempt water lovers with an assortment of activities. Enjoy boating, stand-up paddleboarding, river rafting, jet skiing, water skiing, swimming, sailboating, kayaking, tubing, wakeboarding, and canoeing. Number 9. Hiking. Steamboat Springs have several hiking and backpacking trails for all levels, and rocky mountain views that will take your breath away. Number 8. Fishing. Enjoy several miles of public access in town casting for rainbow and brown trout. The river offers a peaceful setting with stunning views and world-class trout. Number 7. Coca-Cola Adventure Zone. With a kids' bungle, obstacle course, giant bowl you can race around and more. Number 6. Snow Bowl. Snow Bowl has something for everyone. Whether you're looking to grab a bite, bowl a few frames, enjoy the outdoors, listen to music, or play some games, there is always something to do at Snow Bowl. Number 5. Gondola. A steamboat gondola is a great way to take in the picturesque mountain views from a vantage point only accessible by gondola. Number 4. Camping. Explore the great outdoors and seek adventure with several Steamboat Springs camping options. Number 3. Picnic. Steamboat summers are perfect for family picnics with beautiful scenic surroundings and perfect views. Number 2. Biking. Steamboat, also known as Bike Town USA, offers a variety of mountain biking and dirt bike trails for all levels. There are trails all around town, along the river and up on the mountain. Number 1. Arts and entertainment. Steamboat Springs' roots are deeply embedded in ranching and Western heritage, but with a multitude of art galleries, a variety of musical entertainment and an extraordinarily large number of artists living in the area, Steamboat is rich with culture. Release your inner artist with workshops that explore everything from photography to the performing arts. Enjoy a creative evening with friends and family by strolling the many art galleries found in downtown Steamboat Springs.